Do you have apps that you never want your Galaxy S25 Ultra to close in the background? Let's make sure they are always running by excluding them from memory cleanup. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care, then tap Memory. Now choose Excluded Apps. Here you will see a list of apps that Device Care will not touch. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Choose the apps you don't want to be cleaned up. Then tap Add to add the selected app to the list. If you want to remove an app from the list later, tap the three dots at the top right. Select Remove. Next, select the app, and then tap Remove to remove the selected app from the list. This is useful when you have apps like music player, messaging apps, or work apps that you always want running. By excluding them, Device Care will not force them into deep sleep, so they will stay ready whenever you need them. And that's how you exclude apps from memory cleanup on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's super handy for keeping your important apps alive in the background. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.